First, let's see how the AC system works. The AC compressor is driven by a pulley. Notice how the inner portion is not moving. This means that the AC is off. But once you turn on the AC relay activates and turns on the AC compressor. Notice how the entire pulley is now turning. If the entire pulley is not turning after pressing the AC on button, it is possible that the relay that controls the pulley has failed. On most cars, the AC relay will be inside of a box in the engine bay compartment, like this one. The box cover will also show which one is the AC relay. One trick to check the relay is to gently tap it. If the relay clicks on and the AC works, this means that the issue is the relay. Hitting the relay sometimes will buy more time before a replacement is needed. Another way to confirm if the relay has failed is to temporarily replace the suspect relay with another one and see if the AC works. The horn relay in this case is a good candidate. If swapping the horn relay into the spot for the AC relay fixes the AC, I know for sure that the AC relay is the issue. To remove the relay, I simply pull it off its socket by hand. However, sometimes they can be stubborn, and to avoid damaging, I prefer using this relay removal tool. This is how the tool works. I'm simply gonna grab onto the very bottom of the relay and pull it out of its location. So I'm gonna position the tool, make sure I'm grabbing onto the bottom, and I'm gonna gently wiggle this out until it pops out, and there it is. Now I take the horn relay and insert it into the location for the AC relay. At this point, if the AC works, again, I know now that for sure I have a bad relay. Oh yeah, we got cold air now. I should point out the technique of swapping relays to see if what relay is bad is only meant to be temporarily. I would not want to drive without a horn. And if you have a Toyota, this is a very common issue. Toyota had an issue with their relays, and they actually even had a recall for them. So there is an upgraded AC relay. I put parts in the description down below so you can confirm if you have the old relay that is prone to failing, or if you already have the upgraded relay. And if you guys have any questions regarding the fix, please put that in the comments down below. And if you found any part of this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button to support the channel, and stay tuned as I have a lot more repair videos coming up. So make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.